Mabuhay sa ating lahat. Ako nga pala si Jordan San Juan, your Manhunt Philippines. So starting off, lumaki ako sa bayan ng Bulacan. When I was a kid, I grew up with my mother, grandfather, sister, and lola. As I grew up, I was a very shy kid. Hindi ako masyadong maboka sa tao. There are people saying that nung nasa school ako, pwede kang mag-pageant, pwede kang isabak sa ganyan. Sabi ko, no, that's not me. Parang di ako pwede dyan, di ako pang ganun. Sabi ko pa sa mama ko, di ako mag-aaral pag nag-pageant ako. May nag-build up, unti-unti na siya nangyayari. But sa buong journey ko naman sa buhay ko, nakasupport lagi yung family ko kahit ano mang gawin ko. Isa na dun sa yung mama ko na laging nandyan, nagbibigay ng full support. Although hindi naman kami ganun kayaman, but they always do their best since she's just my single mom. So after a few years, nag-start ako mag-pageant kasi I was just trying to look for work. And then there's these people na lumapit sa akin na sabi, pwede ka mag-pageant, baka pwede ka namin ipakilala din sa ibang agencies pag na-build up yung confidence mo, yung aura mo, lahat. So I said, sige, kahit hindi ako pang ganun, like di ko pa kaya, try ko kasi parang wala namang mawawala, susubukan ko lang. Then, surprisingly, nagka-title ako sa pageant namin sa probinsya. And after a while, pinakilala ko ng mga handlers ko, sila Kuya Mark, si Capren, sila Mami Jeff. Sila yung nagdala sa akin doon. And dito na ako ngayon sa Mercator. And ang mga kasama ko dito ngayon, sila Mama Mau and yung ibang handlers. They're really good people dahil talagang inalagaan nila ako. Like, at first, I didn't know what I was doing, but they really guided me here sa Maynila. Nung una parang sabi nila, ano pa, bago-bago pa, nandun pa yung parang mahiyain. Then after a while, napapansin nila, you change like in a good way. Like nasasanay ka na, like nakikita nila yung investment nila sa akin na good. And ako rin, natutuwa ako kasi they guided me. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So, thank you very much. After a few years now, this year, 2024, graduate na ako with Bachelor of Fitness and Sports Management. So, ang pangarap ko talaga, actually, na-discover ko lang to nung 4th year ako, na gusto ko magturo, gusto ko mag-coach. Since napapractice ko na siya all these years nang hindi ko alam pala. So, inclined yung course ko doon, gusto ko siyang i-pursue. But, at the same time, gusto ko rin mag-modeling pa since everything is going great naman. So guys, humingi po ako ng mataos-puso niyong suporta sa paparating na competition ng Manhunt International Male Supermodel, which is I would represent the Philippines. I hope you guys will watch this next year, May 2025. So, see you there guys.